2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, clock, fog lights, power windows, power door locks, security system, side airbag, CD player, overhead console, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.